Welcome back, everyone. I'm really excited about bringing on my next guest. I have with me Charlie Piermarini. Did I say it? How do you say
Close. Piermarini.
Thank you for me. Thank you very much. He's the owner of Restorative Care of Arizona. Welcome to the show. Tell everybody a little bit about yourself and what you do.
Thank you for having me. Like you said, I'm the owner of Restorative Care of Arizona. It's a full-service wellness clinic. I am a physician assistant. I have 3 masters in physiology, 1 in physician assistant studies, and 1 in public health.
Okay, now you know what you said today. We want to talk about something special, and CBD happens to be a buzzword of the day right now. I don't know what it is, but a lot of people are talking about it lately. So I want to talk a little bit about what it is, and how you know that you're getting a quality CBD product.
Correct. That's the biggest thing I see as a medical provider, educating my patients on CBD. It's trying to get a product that doesn't have any, endogenous other hormones or THC into it. And it's very important to see where you're getting it from and who you're getting it from, and talking to a medical professional that knows about it.
You have to be very careful out there. There's a lot of it out there. But I want to also get them to understand that you're in your practice, you have a lot of different modalities that you work with and do. And so I want you to be able to say that. So
Correct.
What are they?
Correct. So we do medically assisted CBD. So I sit down with patients and talk to them about how to maximize results for pain relief, anxiety, and sleep. We do IV nutrition. I do vitamin injections, sports medicine, including PRP injections and stem cells, dry needling, cupping. We do men's health. Those are some of the most.
So full service wellness center, basically, both men and women.
Correct.
Okay, and you're located in where?
22nd and Highland.
Okay, and your website is restorativecareaz.com. Their phone number, it's 480-586-3000, but we're going to open up the lines to the audience because you're going to do a giveaway, and it's a free bottle of CBD or a vitamin therapy injection. Please tell everybody what they're going to get of it, because they need to know. And it's your choice of what you want.
Correct.
Go ahead.
So the CBD is going to be a 1,500 milligram bottle of CBD and or a vitamin B complex. So it's a vitamin B12 plus the other B complex is for energy and helps with weight loss.
Well, let me tell you, people love those.
Exactly.
I do happen to know that a lot of the Arizonians are tired, and especially the people that listen to the station. I think a lot of them are. We're a little bit older. We are baby boomers. That's who I am.
Yep.
And I think there's something about them. So we're going to open up the lines to offer that to them. So it's a free bottle of CBD. It's a 1,500 milligram bottle of it, and you're going to talk about it. So yours is obviously pure. Let's talk about what you're offering.
Correct. So my CBD, I'm the medical advisor for Nervala CBD they're out of Scottsdale, and so I work with them to make sure that the quality is high. We test every batch. It is the CBD isolate, so there are no estrogen or progesterone that's in it or THC. The THC is undetectable, so it's very important when I talk with patients, because I have firefighters that take it and they can't obviously have THC, otherwise they lose their job. And then I work with patients to optimize their own endocannabinoid system with omegas, gut health, anti-inflammatory, how to take it properly, dosing. So it's a little bit of a different than just walking into like a smoke shop.
So also you're offering that vitamin B12. Well, it's more than that. It's a therapy injection that our lines are open here for everyone to get entered in to win. Our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. And I'm going to let everyone call throughout the rest of the show to be able to get entered in to win. I want to also talk about how you help with chronic pain. Is it just CBD, or is there a lot of other things? Because there's a lot of us that are in chronic pain.
Yep. I worked in pain management for the last 2.5 years until I branched off into my clinic, and chronic pain is very complex. It's a psychosocial, sleep issues, and so I kind of try and take more of a holistic approach and seeing where you can get the most, bang for your buck. Either adding CBD, talking about inflammatory, talking about gut health, exercise, weight loss. It's a lot of stuff. I do a lot of vitamin nutrient testing, so I can see micronutrient deficiencies and create custom supplement plans for you.
Well, he's offering one for everybody to get entered in to win. It is a vitamin B12 and whatever it has in it. It's a therapy injection, and it does help you lose weight as well. The summer is right here. If you tried to put on your bathing suit, call in here. This might help. Our number here is 602, everybody's laughing, 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. And the free 1,500 bottle of this CBD oil. It's an oil.
It's a tincture, yeah.
It's a tincture, okay. And what I want to talk a little bit about that, I like some questions here that you have. So let's say somebody would like to try it. Are there interactions that they have to worry about with other medications, or is it just safe for everybody to take?
No. So that's
a big thing. I'm glad you said no, because a lot of people just take it.
Yeah. With like with any supplement, it's best to check with your medical provider, because a lot of, especially CBD, it goes down similar liver pathways of medications like blood thinners, anti-seizure medications, Lexapro, Prozac, these things that people take for anxiety, and sometimes it potentiates those side effects. So you got to be worried about that and talking to patients. And about 10% of the population will have some type of liver enzyme issue. It does resolve with CBD, but once you stop it, but you still need to be talking to somebody about how much of it do you take? How are you taking it? Are you even absorbing it? Just going through these type of things.
Well, you also said that you give your patients, when they come in, a free, if they call in here, a 15-minute consultation.
Correct.
So he does do that as well. You could check him out on his website. It is restorativecareaz.com. You can call them direct. Their phone number is 480-586-3000. Or you can call in here and you can get entered in to win. We're going to let everyone call throughout the rest of the show. It's either the free bottle of the 15 milligram bottle of CBD tincture, as well as the vitamin therapy B12 shot. That's an injection, and that's going to help you lose weight, obviously feel good. When people take one of those and they just have one, do they get that right? How long does that last?
It lasts, the first one, usually people notice some relief with it, some benefits, but it's usually the second one once you kind of titrated them up. I recommend about one a week, and people buy packages of 4.
Really?
Yeah. And a weekly injection, come in, leave, once I get to know you.
How much weight can they lose on those things?
I don't think, it's not directly tied to the B12 itself. It just gives you more energy to get working out, and you sleep better and you're feeling better.
Right, so you automatically lose the weight.
Yeah.
Again, you can call in here. Our number here is 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Check him out on his website. It is restorativecareaz.com, or you can call direct. He will do a 15-minute free consultation for you out there. The number is 480-586-3000, or call in here and get entered in to win. Start with that. Okay, let me ask you something. Are there any natural ways to enhance our own natural what do you say that? I'm glad you get to say it. What is it?
The endocannabinoid.
Yeah, what is that?
That's our own natural, we have our own natural endocannabinoid system. It regulates our homeostasis, and so a lot of people talk about the runner's high being dopamine. It's actually part of the endocannabinoid system. So we have our own natural CBD, and so it can become dysregulated and not working correctly through diet, through lack of exercise, through genetics, and so regulating that back to normal is a big part of what I do. Talking about omega-3s and 6s and gut health and anti-inflammatory and sleep, and we have a whole supplement line coming out, CBD-based supplement line coming out in the next couple of weeks that's trying to restore a lot of people's sleep just through natural supplements, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. And
so doing things more in a natural approach, which everybody's loving right now. It used to be different, but now everyone loves it, right?
Right, yeah.
Okay, so on your weight loss programs and things like that, is it just the vitamin injections, or do you also have other things that you offer?
Yeah. So we have a proprietary weight loss medication we've come up with. I've designed with a pharmacist here locally, and it's very little side effect. Mostly it just makes people fall asleep, so we give it to them at nighttime, decrease some of the cravings. It's got chromium and it's got biotin, so they both help with insulin and carbohydrate metabolism. And it also comes with an in-body scan once a week and a weekly visits to kind of keep you accountable.
Well, you do certainly a lot of things. Yeah. You can check him out on his website. It's restorativecareaz.com. And real quickly, we have less than a minute here. This is a big one, but stem cells, do you also do any of that?
Correct. We do stem cell derived therapies, and we stack them with our own platelet-rich plasma injections for joint.
Anyone that's listening, you're going to get a free 15-minute consultation. You just call him direct. It's 480-586-3000. Or call in here. We've got everyone getting entered in to win is either a 1,500 milligram bottle of the CBD or the therapy, the vitamin therapy injection. Our number here, 602-277-5369.